Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to remove oxidation from your vehicle's paint. It's not too difficult. You just need yourself a good polishing compound. McGuire's makes some cleaner wax, which is really awesome for removing oxidation. My preference is polishing compound because it also removes some scratches and whatnot. But the easiest thing, just take a little bit. You either want on a slightly damp rag or just a dry rag. Either one of the two will work fine. Just try to use something that's nice and soft, nothing that's going to scuff the paint up. And just work it real nice and slow. Don't try doing a big area at once. Keep rubbing this back and forth. It's going to start drying on you, but just try and keep ahead of it as much as you can. And as you're rubbing, just keep on going until you actually rub it away. It's going to take some elbow grease and a little bit of time here. This is where you want to be careful when you're using an orbital sander an orbital buffer because this is where you're going to end up with your swirl marks. But as you see it starting to cake here on you, is when you want to stop, flip your rag over, and start wiping it off. Sometimes if it doesn't come off immediately, you just take yourself a wet rag. Just go over it a little bit, help take it off. Get yourself a clean rag. And I tend to like these blue towels. They're pretty soft, they're pretty durable, they don't fall apart on you. Just rub it clean. And just keep in mind, when you're doing this, you want to go back over it with a coat of wax because unfortunately that polishing compound or any kind of a cleaner will take the wax right off. But that's all there is to it, removing oxidation from your car.